P12, full spectrum. Visible light is just part of a group of electromagnetic waves that together form the electromagnetic spectrum. The colours in the visible spectrum are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. A good way to remember this is Richard of York gave battle in vain, or Roy G. Biv. A rainbow is a naturally occurring visible spectrum. White light is made of many different wavelengths of visible light mixed together. A laser produces a narrow, intense beam of visible light of just one wavelength. Lasers are used to read and burn CDs and DVDs and as cutting tools in surgery or in cutting a range of materials. Lasers are also used to read barcodes in supermarkets. A full range of electromagnetic waves or radiation that form the electromagnetic spectrum is shown below. Long-wave radio, medium-wave radio, short-wave radio, very high-frequency radio waves, VHF, ultra-high frequency radio waves, UHF, microwaves, infrared radiation, visible light, ultraviolet light, X-rays and gamma rays. As you go down the list, the frequency and the energy of the waves increases. As you go up the list, the wavelength increases. The radiation with the longest wavelengths are radio waves, long-wave radio, medium-wave radio, short-wave radio, VHF radio and UHF radio. UHF radio signals are used to transmit television channels. Radio waves and some types of microwave are used to send mobile phone messages. Radio waves have the least energy out of all of the forms of electromagnetic radiation. Radio waves and microwaves are both types of what are called non-ionizing radiation. Non-ionizing radiation is usually thought of as harmless to humans. The most common use of microwaves is in cooking. The microwave radiation causes the water particles in food to vibrate, and this generates heat. Infrared radiation is given off by hot objects. Toasters, electric heaters and grills all give out infrared radiation. As well as cooking and heating, infrared radiation is also used for the signals sent by the remote controls that we use with TVs, DVD players, etc. Cameras that are sensitive to infrared radiation can be used to detect burglars or intruders in buildings, as the human body emits a great deal of heat or infrared radiation.